Sunny Bonani, my board members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe or you press like or you leave a comment and then let's engage. Listen, so it's such a sad story. Ukubona umpho abadem from the Big Brother winner. Esekhale khaiza kule reality show ekhona njengamanje iMathemba's Inc. World. Mpho claims that she couldn't tell anyone. She was being abused by uThemba, ubeka shower, ubeka mshiya uThemba udla ama-drugs. But angikubona konke lokho, Mpho was paying Themba's rent in Sandton 20,000 a month. Shembe uNkulunkulu into esisenza senzela amadoda. Yo, uzunqabe nami baba, uvume nami kancane. So Mpho was paying 20k for Themba. But Themba was given by ama-friends akhe imali about 600k. I don't know what he did with his money. And I think endlini akaphumanga namali endlini. But he has about 600k, like really 600k. If he was intelligent, he was gonna, multiply that money because he's a good tattoo artist. So now Mpho, and he also took Mpho's money wathi yothenga ama-contain, the containers wokuthi avule enza ama-tattoo stores. Dololo Mpho uyayifuna-ke leyo mali, especially yama-contain. So Mpho is lying. They says no, akayidlanga imali yami sho kodwa usiyakhala lapha usho uthi wayikhokhe rent. How long did she pay rent? Probably about 6 months or 10 months. How much is that? And the money that he gave it to him for containers, and the money bekamspoila ngayo, emthengela ama-gross, emthengela icathulo, and Mpho says bekathengela ney'ngane zanqobile, but ke akafuni. You know what so says afethu ukuthi Mpho Themba's baby mama unqobile bekakhala, right? Ekhayiza ethi hey uThemba beka-right enganeni wathi Mpho iba imbokodo, sukuma mfazi, ungalokhu ukhalela indoda, lwela iy'ngane zakho, hamba usebenza. Kumnandi egive omunye umntwana, kubuhlungu manje. I don't know, but hayi man, amadlozi kaMpho bengamtshela ukuthi uThemba uso. But anyway, that's fine. But ke what makes me worry is the fact ukuthi Mpho was aware that uThemba udla ama-drugs and still udla ama-drugs. Yini Mpho ngoba phela bekamthanda uThemba ukuthi akazange amphoqe ukuthi ahambe e-rehab ngale mali le athi Thando sami, listen, I need you to be right. I want you to be. Hey, wait. Before we even get there, how do uzalela umuntu odla ama-drugs wazi usudla ama-drugs? I'm just yo and Mpho uyeke indoda e-right. The other guy that emthanda lokhu i-Big Brother uLibo wazothatha leli hashasha leli inhliziyo ngilibani lihashasha lizola lehlala enyuka la alinamali. Hayi shuka, subscribe button and please press like and sharing ngicela. Wena Mpho ushawa idlozi lakanqobile, hayi lakhe lakho lidla imbumba.